guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a look using these water decals with a marble design. Now I purchased these to do a full nail marble look, but when they arrived, I don't know if you can see, the actual size of them is absolutely tiny. I could probably ignore that mark on my nail. I could probably fit one on my pinky maybe, but the rest of my nails, especially my thumb, I don't think it would fit on. If you had quite small nails, they might fit, but they are quite small. So I've come up with an idea that may or may not work, hopefully, to use these on my nails. These are the colours that I thought would go best with this marble look that I planned, and I'll tell you what I'm wearing on my nails in a minute. But this is the decal. I've never actually used a water decal before. It does have this bit that you peel off and then you cut, so this is going to be trial and error for me. Hopefully it does work because the image I have in my head is really pretty. So let's move on with the tutorial. So the colours that I have on my nails are by Sinful Colours, and if you're in the UK, I picked these up from Poundland. Every time I go into Poundland, I have a look through the colours, and I usually find a couple of Sinful Colours that I don't already own. So this first one is in the shade Curtsy, and it's one of their Trend Matters shades, and it's a velvet. So it dries to sort of a matte velvet finish, and it does have slight shimmers, but because it's matte, you can't really tell. But I do think it's a really gorgeous colour. And then this is the rose gold shade that I have on my nail, and I think this is absolutely stunning. It looks a lot like a gel polish that I have, so when I saw it I knew I had to pick it up. And this is in the shade Hush Money. This doesn't have a specific finish, it's just a normal nail varnish, and it applies so well. This was opaque in maybe 1.5 coats. Absolutely stunning, and we're going to be using this for some accents as well when we apply the marble later. So I've got myself a little dish of water here, and I'm going to be using this to place the water decals in. Now the plan that I have is to place them sort of, my nail's wet now, is to place them diagonally across the nails, or horizontally. So half the nail is marble, and then I'm going to do a rose gold line sort of over where they meet, and I thought that would look really nice. We'll see, could look hideous, but that's the plan. So I'm going to peel the top layer off these right now because it's going to be annoying to peel them off every single piece. I'm not going to be doing my accent nail, so I only need to do 4 of these. So I'm going to use the 4 biggest ones, and I might as well leave that little one for another time. So I'm going to cut, and I'm going to cut each one as if it was the original piece. So I'm going to lay those over here and start with the biggest one on my thumb. I don't know if you can see properly, but this does have sort of like a rounded shape to it, so I'm just going to cut off the excess before I pop it in the water. Now I've seen tutorials on this, but I've never done it myself, so this is going to be a little bit of an experiment. And I'm just going to pop that into the water for 10 to 12 seconds. I've got a piece of kitchen towel here just to take off the excess water. I'm going to take this out. I'm just going to see if it will separate from the paper. Yep, it's coming off really well. So first I'm just going to give it a little blot on my paper here, and then I'm going to peel it off. Well, you can just pull it off, I think, like that. And then I'm going to place this onto my thumb at a sort of diagonal angle, like this. And then I'm going to use my kitchen towel to just press that onto my nail. Okay, that's really interesting. It's kind of just like a piece of plastic, and it's not stuck whatsoever. It's just got dry, and then that's it. I'm thinking maybe I didn't leave it in the water long enough. I'm just going to pop this because this is completely dry now. Just pop that back into the water. Yeah, that's not going to stick whatsoever. It's just sliding around. Maybe I need to have some like wetness on my nail, like a clear nail varnish, to get it to stick first. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong. But this is, I don't know if you can properly see, but this is literally just a piece of plastic. It's not as thin as I thought it would be to stick to the nail. So off camera, I've tried with a few more pieces and they just don't stick whatsoever. As you can see, I can pull this and it's like a piece of plastic. And yes, I have checked, I've peeled, you know, everything off that needs to be peeled off. And to my knowledge, a nail decal should be, it's pretty much a tattoo that you would use on your skin, and this is absolutely not like a temporary tattoo. This is just a piece of plastic that I can snap in half. So would I recommend buying these? No, I wouldn't. I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest, because I had a really good look in my mind of what would work, but unfortunately not. If anyone has any comments on how to make these work, if I'm doing something wrong, please do let me know. I even watched a couple more how to apply videos and I was still none the wiser. I was doing everything correct. I think it's literally just these stickers. I remembered I did a look, and I'll insert a picture here, actually using some small rose decals once, and they just worked absolutely as I thought they would. You just put them in the water and then peel them off, and they stuck to my nail like a temporary tattoo. But these are just having absolutely none of it, and it almost feels like there's an extra film on top that you can't peel off. It's like, it is literally just like really thin plastic. I'm really not sure. So pretty unhappy, but we're going to put this down as a failed video. I'll put it up anyway just in case I'm doing something wrong, so you can let me know. Or if you have used these before and you had the same experience, I would love to hear that so I'm not alone. Thanks for watching anyway, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. So the colours that I have on my nails, and I have been wearing these on my nails for a couple of days now, as you can see. I did another, seriously, the ice cream truck right now. Trying to film. Still going. Oh dear.